Hi, my name is Natalie Williams with Vive Health. I'm a certified yoga teacher, and in this session we are going to do exercises that you can do at the office to help keep you energized. Go ahead and find a nice tall seat, bringing your ears over your shoulders, shoulders over your hips, and your feet about hip width apart. Elongate that spine, lifting up, 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 and take a deep breath in, and exhale out. One more deep breath in, and exhale out. See if you can do this through your nose one more time, long and slow as possible. And then go ahead and drop your chin to your chest and gently hold your chin down here. Feel the back of the neck stretch. Then gently drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Release this left shoulder down just a little bit more. Keep that breath work alive, in and out. And then gently roll your neck over to the other side and relax this right shoulder down. Take a nice deep breath and release. Then on your own, gently roll back and forth. Feel free to stop in any place that feels extra good to you. Then inhale, nice tall spine here. Roll the shoulders up, back, and down. Really big shoulder rolls. Good. Now we're going to go the other direction, up and forward. Then inhale, lift up nice and tall. Engage those hands, interlace them, and then push them forward, rounding the back, separating the shoulder blades. Really push forward. Inhale, lift up, engage that core. Deep breath. Then gently lean on over to the right. Another deep breath here. Coming to the center. And over to the other side. Deep breath. Then come on up to the center. Unleash those fingers and cactus the arms. Open up the chest. Then gently place the hands behind your head. Pull back the elbows. Chin up just a little bit. And another deep breath here. From here, we're going to do seated cats and cows. So right now, you're really arching the back. Chin comes up, bottom steps back, and you're lifting up tall here. Deep breath. Then exhale, we're going to squeeze the core, curl, rounding the shoulder blades forward now, and bringing the elbows together. Then inhale, open and lean back. And exhale, round and bring forward. Inhale, open, lean back. Exhale, round and bring forward. Then inhale, come back to center, and we're going to reach one arm higher than the other. Really reach. Open, open, open. Then from here, we're gently going to keep that right hand up. Left hand stays down. If you have somewhere to rest it here. If not, you can rest it on your leg. That's fine. Reach up to the sky. Deep breath here. And over you go. Try to keep this other shoulder relaxed. And then come back up. Place this arm down. Reach up to the sky as high as you can. And then on over. And come back up. From here, we're going to turn over that right shoulder. So I'm mirroring you. Go ahead and twist over that right shoulder. Your left hand is on that right leg. You're looking back as far as it's comfortable to you, getting a nice spinal twist in. Make sure that you're lifting tall from the round. You're going to round and turn over from the base of your spine up. So inhale, lift. And exhale, twist with your head being the last thing back. Squeeze your core, inhale, unwind, bring the arms up high. And we're gonna switch sides now. So turning over the left shoulder, and your right hand is gonna be on that left leg. Inhale, lift, and exhale, twist. And go ahead and come back to center. to unwind. Because you're at the desk a lot, you might be typing or moving around with those wrists, so we're going to roll those wrists around. Rolling them back and forth around. Go the other way if you can. Then go ahead and place a stop sign out with that right hand. With your left finger, you're just gently going to pull back one finger at a time. Often our hands are clamped like this. We want to open them up the other way. And switch. Gently pulling one finger back at a time. Then go ahead and shake them out. From here, you're going to want to move out just a little bit so you have space in front of you. Coming to the edge of your chair, go ahead and kick that right leg out now. Lift up and then hinge from the hips and down you go. If you want to take your shoes off, you can. If not, that's fine. Just make sure you're flexing that foot so you're extending that hamstring. Staying here, take a deep breath. Exhale, go down just a little further if it's okay for you. And gently come on up. Let's switch to the other side. So now your left leg's in front, lifting tall, hinging from the hips, and rounding forward. Curl those toes towards your nose just a little bit more so you feel it. And down you go a little bit more. Inhale, go ahead and push on up. Lift tall. We're going to bring our right knee in towards our chest, so nose towards the knee. And go ahead and roll around that right ankle. Then inhale, lift. And exhale, switch. Left knee in towards your nose, rolling around that ankle. Really crunching forward. Then inhale up. We're going to bring the right leg back up. Figure four. Make sure the foot is flexed to help keep the knee aligned right here. Lifting tall and hinging over. If you can go down a little bit more, you can go down a little bit more. That's fine. Try to relax the shoulders and really release this right hip. Gently push on up. Place that leg down and switch. Again, flex the foot so you're protecting that knee. Lifting up and hinging from the hips. You can come down, or if right here is good for you, stay right up here. And go ahead and come on up. Make sure you always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any exercise routine.